Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your gadgets as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into episode 739, How to Fix Your Jio Modem Blinking Red in 2025. If you've noticed that annoying red light on your Jio modem, you're not alone. It's a common issue that often signals a connection or power problem. But don't panic. With a few simple steps, you can get your internet back up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, the red blinking light typically means there's an error with your modem's connection or hardware. Before we start troubleshooting, make sure your modem is in a well-ventilated area and not overheating, as that can sometimes trigger this issue. Step 1. Check your power source. Ensure the modem is plugged into a stable outlet and that the power cord is securely connected. Sometimes, a loose plug is the culprit. Try switching to another outlet if needed. Step 2. Perform a simple restart. Unplug the modem from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can resolve temporary glitches and refresh the system. Give it a couple of minutes to boot up fully. Step 3. Inspect all cables. Double-check that your Ethernet cables, phone lines, or any other connections are firmly attached. Dust or damage on the ports could be causing the problem, so clean them gently if necessary. Step 4. Update your firmware. In 2025, Jio modems might have new software updates to fix bugs. Log into the Jio app or visit their website, navigate to the settings section, and check for any available updates. Install them if prompted. This could fix the red light issue. Step 5. If the problem persists, reset your modem to factory settings. This is a more advanced step, so use it as a last resort. Locate the reset button on your modem, press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, and let it reboot. Note that this will erase your customized settings, so you'll need to reconfigure them afterward. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Jio customer support. They can provide personalized assistance or check for any service outages in your area. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing that pesky red light on your Jio modem. We hope this helps you get back online smoothly. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.